Welcome to the Layered Long Bob collection from MHDPro. This collection teaches you how to create 5 long layered bob haircuts that suit a multitude of hair textures and facial features. The techniques can be adapted to provide versatility and dimension to your salon services. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Mazella&Palmer demonstrate a Salon Classic triangular-shaped long bob. The technique features one length, layering and over direction to achieve a flat back with movement in the crown and length through the front. Bastian Casaretto continues in Lesson 2 with a concave layered long bob. This classic haircut incorporates 6 simple sections to break down this commercial and adaptable shape. In Lesson 3, Martyn Holmes shares essential information to achieve triangular layers with disconnection to create the ultimate rock chick long layered bob. In Lesson 4, Dinter demonstrates how to create a perfect A-line long bob with disconnection in the front area. The final result is a super salon-friendly shape with a substructure to support the movement of soft layers. And finally, in Lesson 5, we are back with Bastian as he demonstrates a low-layered bob on naturally textured hair. This technique features essential tips on outline shape, over direction, internal layering and fringe placement to achieve the ultimate festival chick look. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Layered Long Bob collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Layered Long Bob collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, any time.